Imagine putting a single link in your Instagram bio and using it to sell digital products, book calls, collect emails, and make sales while you sleep. Sounds simple, right? That's exactly why thousands of creators are talking about Stan Store. But is it really as easy as people claim? Or is there more to the story? Today, we're breaking down Stan Store, the easiest way to sell digital products, and whether it's actually worth using in 2026. Let's dive in. At its core, Stan Store is a creator-focused storefront. Instead of building a complicated website, creators can create a simple page that houses their products and services. Visitors can click one link and access digital products, online courses, consultations, coaching sessions, email signups, and more. The goal is simplicity. Creators don't need coding skills. They don't need to build an entire online store. They can launch quickly. And that's a big reason why Stan Store, the easiest way to sell digital products, has become such a popular question among content creators. Many creators face the same challenge. They know how to create content, but they struggle with the technical side of selling. Websites, checkout pages, integrations, email systems, those things can become overwhelming. Stan Store attempts to solve that problem by keeping everything in one place. Instead of managing multiple tools, creators can focus on creating content and selling products. For beginners, that simplicity can be very attractive, especially when speed matters. One reason creators use Stan Store is flexibility. You aren't limited to one type of offer. You can sell ebooks, templates, guides, digital downloads, mini courses, coaching sessions, consulting calls. This makes it appealing for creators in many niches: finance, fitness, business, education, marketing, lifestyle. The platform is designed around helping creators monetize audiences in different ways. And that's a key reason discussions around Stan Store, the easiest way to sell digital products, continue growing. Let's talk about what might be Stan Store's biggest advantage: speed. Many people spend weeks building websites, creating pages, adjusting designs, testing layouts. Meanwhile, a creator using a simple storefront can launch much faster. That matters because perfection often delays action. Getting started quickly allows creators to test ideas faster, and testing is where learning happens. For many beginners, simplicity beats complexity, especially in the early stages. However, no platform is perfect. A simple storefront isn't the same as owning a fully customized website. As a business grows, some creators may want more control, more customization, more advanced features. That's important to understand. A tool should fit your current stage, not someone else's stage. For many creators, a simple solution is enough. For others, more advanced systems may eventually make sense. The best choice depends on your goals. If you're enjoying this breakdown, hit the like button and subscribe. We post weekly videos covering online business, digital products, passive income, and practical strategies for growing your income online. Now let's discuss the biggest mistake creators make when using platforms like Stan Store. Here's a hard truth. Most creators focus too much on tools, not enough on value. A storefront doesn't create sales. Traffic creates sales. Trust creates sales. Useful products create sales. You could have the best storefront in the world, but if nobody visits it, nothing happens. Successful creators understand this. They spend more time creating valuable content than obsessing over software. That's one of the biggest lessons hidden inside the question. Stan Store, the easiest way to sell digital products. The tool matters, but the audience matters more. For beginners, the answer is often surprisingly simple. If a tool helps you launch faster and start learning sooner, it may be worth considering. The biggest risk isn't choosing the wrong platform. The biggest risk is never starting. Many successful online businesses began with simple tools. What mattered wasn't perfection. It was execution. Products improved. Offers improved. Systems improved. But the first step was simply getting started. And that's why many creators see value in platforms like Stan Store. So let's recap. Stan Store offers creators a simple way to sell digital products, services, and offers from a single link. Its biggest strength is simplicity. Its biggest limitation is customization. And its success depends less on the platform and more on the value you provide. Ultimately, the answer to Stan Store, the easiest way to sell digital products, is this: It may be one of the easiest ways to start, but no platform replaces great content, trust, and a valuable offer. And in the next video, we'll compare Stan's store, Shopify, and traditional websites side by side to see which option makes the most sense for creators at different stages of their business. You won't want to miss it.